there guys, I'm back again, and today it is actually Christmas, so everybody Merry Christmas out there. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas this year, even though it's a disaster year. This video, as you can see, is completely different. I set up the table over there, and the Christmas tree is over there. It's silver and pink, like I am today. As you can see, I got presents over there, and it just kind of goes beyond the table because I have no space underneath the tree anymore. I only have one big ring light, so the lighting is different, everything is different, but still I wanted to unbox one last box, which is going to be the last box to unbox. How many times can you say the word box? It's the Goodiebox. It's the Goodiebox, and look how freaking pretty the box is. It is amazing. Okay, so let's open it up. I need to hurry up because my family is about to arrive. Corona-proof, don't worry about it. So annoyed that I have to say it, but I have to. Okay, so we got the booklet here. We got a voucher for 15 euros. Best Secret. Okay, so if you guys want to use this voucher, you get 15 euros off. There we go. Just freeze the screen, take a shot of this. There we go. Now freeze the screen, and y'all can make use out of it. I usually don't use these things. Okay, let's open up the paper and see what is inside. Ooh, I see something golden. Ooh, looks promising. Okay, this is the inside of the last Goodiebox of 2020. Okay, let's start off with that golden thing I see. It's probably a mascara. This is from Melucin. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. It's a mascara and conditioner 3-in-1. It's vegan as far as I can tell. And can I open it? I want to open it. Yes, I can, because I want to see the brush that is inside. Oh, okay. So this is what that brush looks like, and the tube is very festive, very golden, very beautiful. So here is the brand. This is what that little sucker looks like, and then let's see on the inside. It's a full size, clearly, because it's a mascara. De Melucin Paris. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So if I have French people in the audience, let me know down below in like baby language, how do I pronounce this? The worth is 21 euros. Okay, let's move on to something else. This is Hair Lust, Hair Growth and Protection, Organic Certified Hair Mask. This is what that looks like, and I love me a good mask, be it your face or your hair. I'm really into hair masks lately, so I'm really glad that I got it because I think I just emptied out every single one I had. I don't think, however, this is a full size. Hair masks usually come in these really big pots, but let's see. The Hair Lust Hair Growth and Protection Mask. Yeah, see? The store worth is 26.95 euros for 200 milliliters, so that's the big pot. And this is just a sample size. This is 50, so this is just a fourth of that big pot. So basically, it's fairly usable for, I think, on my length, probably 2 times. I see something in here which I think goes with the Hair Lust. Oh yeah, see, the Hair Lust, you get 10 bucks if you use code GB10. It's if you order for more than 20 euros, you get 10 euros off. So this offer is valid until the 28th of February 2021. So again, freeze the screen if you want it, use it. This is the code, freeze the screen, and there you go. That's goes with the hair thing. Okay, let's move on to your Gobe, your Hobe, your Jobe, I don't know, pronounce this. This is a Cinnamide Serum. The high concentration of niacinamide, basically vitamin B3, recreates the natural balance of the skin, reduces the appearance of impurities, and contributes to a fresher and more even skin tone. So this is a serum. Very happy to receive these kind of items. I will admit, I'm a little bit over the moisturizers every single freaking time. Like at one point I had so many moisturizers I had to give half away because I couldn't like close the lid anymore. So I'm really happy that we received like night items, night creams, eye cream, serums. That's a bit different than just a regular moisturizer. Like I said, a little bit over the moisturizers. Okay, so the serum is worth €23.90 and it's a full size. Let's see, we have 2 more items and then the box is empty. One is the Cure and Glow. AHA AHA plus BHA Glow Cleanser. Okay, so this is a cleanser. This is what it looks like. And actually, I know that these items are quite expensive. So the Cure, yeah, the Glow Cleanser, the worth is €55 for 100 milliliters. And this is 20, so this is 1/5 of that. So basically around, let's say $11. No, it's not around, it's actually exactly $11. This little sucker is worth $11. I have high expectations from it, but you know, it's never good to have high expectations. Okay, last item in the box is, what is this? I'm so sick and tired of this curl. It's always going this way instead of that way. It's the way I curl, but I have these really tiny hairs and they're pretty annoying. The Realer I Am Grateful Definer Brow Pencil. Wait, because it's sealed. In the color, doesn't really say what color. But over here it's not sealed. So I'm going to open up the bottom because just in case it is too dark for me, I can, give it away to one of you guys. Let's see. Doesn't it? Okay, this is what it looks like, but it doesn't have a color on it whatsoever. Let's see, come on. Oh, it's actually perfect for me. Okay, so it's a lighter brown color, which is actually pretty great. And I think down here is either, yeah, that's what I figured. A brush, there we go, so we can do the brows. Okay, great. So I can actually use this, so I can throw the box away. Let's check out the booklet. Okay, it's over here. It's the Realer Defining Brow Pencil. It's a full size clearly, and the store worth is $14.20. Okay guys, that is it. I'm gonna shut this video off. That is it for 2020. No more boxes to unbox in 2020 anymore. The next unboxing you'll see will be in 2021. Don't forget to check out my giveaway. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video. So yeah, don't forget to check out the giveaway. Unfortunately, we did not reach the amount of subscribers to give away before the holidays, so maybe before New Year's. I doubt it, but maybe I should just start at the 1st of January, but still I need to reach 600 subscribers. So don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, stay safe, stay warm, stay cozy, and stay friendly. And I wish you all the very best for Christmas, I guess. Not yet for New Year's, because it's not New Year's yet. I will be back before New Year's. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye!